Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In today's video, I will show you how you can log into your existing BitMart account. If you've already signed up and just want to access your account to start trading or checking balances, then this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. So let's dive in. First of all, launch open the BitMart app on your device. You may also visit the bitmart.com website on your browser. On the home screen, find the login button and tap on it. You may also see the sign in button, simply select it. On the next page, select one of the methods from phone to email that you want to sign in with. Choose the same method you chose while signing up for BitMart. Since I chose the email option, I'm gonna have to do the same here. Now, go ahead and enter your email or phone number associated with BitMart on the page, in the text box. After typing down your email, move to the next field and type in your password. Finally, after you are done, click on Sign In. But if you don't remember your password, you can reset to a new one by tapping on Forgot Password and following through the prompts. But if you remember your credentials, just type it down like this and tap Sign In. Now you'll need to verify your phone number or email. Enter the 6-digit security code sent to you via email or phone number in the text box. After you do that, you'll be logged in successfully to your account. You'll be taken to your home page where you can go ahead and start adding funds or manage your settings. Now you can easily explore, trade, and manage your crypto securely. That's how you easily log into your existing BitMart account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.